Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn group middleware implementation in Laravel 8. So let's start what exactly the middleware does, right? So it is basically whenever you try to assess any route before or in between, if you want to do anything, like suppose if I hit the URL, I don't want to any of the other user assess this route. So we can bind it in a middleware and put some check whether if the user role is something like super admin, admin, customer. So if it is customer, then it will not assess this route. If it is user, that it will not assess this route. So how to do this? Because in the bigger projects you need this, because we have different type of roles like admin, super admin, customer role, and your organization role. So this kind of things, how you can manage it, right? So it can be done nobody can like suppose I have logged in with the super admin, right? And I want to assess the dashboard. I don't, if I write to like a route like customer, and I if that that will not help me, like if I try to assess the customer route, or and it will give me the dashboard of the customer, and still I'm logged in with the super admin. So that will not compatible, that will not work. In that case, we are going to bind it with the group of middleware. So let's do the implementation, and you will get to know about how to implement this implementation, right? So let's go to the my code, right? So first of all, let me go to the, I have created the middleware. So let me go to my middlewares. Here I have created the middleware, that is customer, right? Here in the customer middleware, I have the three roles like admin, super admin, organization, and the customer, and the driver also, right? Four roles. So here I am putting the check. If the auth user role equal to 4, it will return. Else it will say can't access, right? So I'm going to use this custom middleware in the kernel.php. We have to whenever we create any kind of middleware, we need to register in the kernel.php. Here we have the group of middlewares you can add, or you can, if here you can add application middleware groups. It can be individual, it can be simple. Here this middlewares may be assigned to a groups or used individually, right? So here I am adding my customer with the name customer, and here app http middleware customer middleware, right? So in the customer middleware, how now let's go to the web.php where I have added. So where is web.php in the routes? Where is routes? This is resources, this is routes, web.php, and the bottom of the section I have added the customer section, right? I'm going to word wrap this. Suppose in the middleware auth customer, right? We have made the auth customer, and whenever I try to assess this route, I'm trying to assess customer dashboard. If I'm logged in with the, you can say, logged in with the super admin, so I can't assess this dashboard because super admin role. Let's check the roles also. Yeah, I will give you the database brief also on that note. Let's check. We have we have roles, user types. We have one for super admin, two for organizations, three for users, four for customer, right? Then it will bypass, else it will give me the error, right? So let's check this middleware work or not. So currently what my route is, currently my route is super admin list organization, right? If I'm going to just put this customer dashboard, right? And my role is not 4 currently. If I'm going to print it, my currently role is not 4. So if I'm going to assess this one, can't assess because my role is not 4. And here I have checked on the customer 4 organize, right? Okay, so this will not work if I'm putting this suppose here, if I go to the kernel.php and where is middleware, and you can see customer middleware. Here I have put the check auth user role equal to 4, then next, else you can't assess this. So in that case, it will not work. If I'm going to put one, okay, so let's see what's going to happen. That case, customer dashboard, it will open. See, I can assess the route with no data and nothing, right? So this is possible. Currently the role is one, then it will put behind, right? If I'm going to add the role number 4, that means it is not accessible, can't assess. So this how you can bind this data, whether you want to assess the data to the particular route or not. So this is helpful for, you can provide the group middlewares in Laravel 8, right? So hope what in overall what we have learned, first of all we have to create a middleware in the middlewares, right? And in that function you need to add your logic, right? After adding, your logic, what we have to do, you need to go to the kernel.php, and here you need to define your auth, right, your middleware. And in the middleware, now you need to go to the routes web.php, and here you can specify like this: route group middleware auth customer at function, like this. Okay, so this route accessible only and only if it has a customer route and the role is according to the force, right? So hope you understand what is the group middleware in Laravel 8. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.